Standard 7 Subject Geography. Lesson number 4 Air Pressure. Temperature zones and pressure belts. Temperature zones and pressure belts are interrelated to each other, but the latitudinal extent of the temperature zones is much larger while pressure belts are narrower. The major difference between the temperature zone and pressure belt is that the temperature zones are continuous and are spread from the equator to the poles, from torrid to frigid. Pressure belts are not continuous, and areas of high and low pressure are found in different regions from equator to the poles. For example, the temperature zone extends from 23 degree 30 minutes to 66 degree 30 minutes. Compared to this, the air pressure belt has limited extent. It is generally up to 10 degree parallel. Observe this diagram and answer the following questions. Which pressure belt is mainly found in the tropics? Equatorial low pressure belt is mainly found in the tropics. With which pressure belt are the polar winds associated? In which temperature zone are they observed? The polar winds are associated with the polar high pressure belts, and the polar winds are observed in the frigid zones. What could be the reason behind low pressure belt in the tropics? In the tropics, that is between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, the sun rays can be perpendicular. Hence, the air in this region gets heated, it expands and becomes lighter. This in turn leads to a fall in the air pressure. This could be the reason behind a low pressure belt in the tropics. With which pressure belts are the winds in the temperature zones associated? The winds in the temperate zones are associated with the mid-latitudinal high pressure belts. Write the latitudinal extent of low pressure belts. The latitudinal extent of the low pressure belts is between 0 degree and 5 degree parallel, and between 55 degree and 65 degree parallels in both the hemispheres. Isobars. Observe the map and study the distribution of air pressure. Consider the following points. The nature of the isobars. The line that joins the places of the equal pressure on the map is called isobars. High and low pressure belts and their latitudinal positions. The latitudinal position of the high pressure belts is between 25 degree and 35 degree parallel and between 80 degree and 90 degree parallel in both the hemispheres. The latitudinal position of the low pressure belts is between 0 degree and 5 degree parallel and between 55 degree and 65 degree parallel in both the hemispheres. The direction of the isobars and the distance between the successive isobars over oceans and continents. In the northern hemisphere, the proportion of land, that is continents, is comparatively greater. As its effect, most of the isobars in southwest to the northeast direction over the continents. Similarly, the distance between the isobars varies over the continental areas, and so isobars run zigzag over continental areas. On the other hand, in the southern hemisphere, the proportion of water, that is ocean, is comparatively greater. As its effect, the isobars over the oceans run in a east-west direction. Similarly, the distance between the isobars is very constant over the oceans, and so the isobars are fairly parallel to the latitudinal lines over the oceans. Comparison of the isobars in the northern and the southern hemisphere. Isobars in the northern hemisphere run zigzag and they are not parallel to the latitudinal lines. On the other hand, isobars in the southern hemisphere run almost straight and they are fairly parallel to the latitudinal lines. Thank you.